Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. My Galaxy Buds have finally arrived from when I pre-ordered my S10. Been about a month, been waiting for these, really excited to try them out. I have my Galaxy S10 right here, so we can go ahead and pair them up, show that process. But let's go ahead and get these unboxed, and I'm really excited to take a look at these. I just cut the tape on them because I could not get it off. And it appears there is a second piece of tape on the top, really. Alright, there we go. Take that off, and we have the case up here with the buds in them. I'm going to go ahead and set that aside. We'll take a look at what else we get in the box first. Right here we have your charging cable. It looks like we have some extra ear tips and little ear the little wings on there if you have trouble getting these to stay in your ear when you're working out and stuff like that. You can put those on. I don't know if it shows them in the picture. I don't think so. Yeah, not really. Looks like there's two different sizes in addition to the ones that are already on there. And then right here we have your charging cable for your case. The case does have wireless charging, but if you don't want to use that, you do get a cable, and this is a white USB-C cable. So it is nice to see them use USB-C because you can use the same cable that you use with your phone if you happen to forget that. So that's all that's in the box. You don't actually get a USB wall adapter, just the cable. Then right here we have the buds. Looks really nice. We have, looks like a light right there for charging and a light right here for charging with the case. It has a pretty satisfying click. Got the USB-C port on the back. I don't know how you turn them on. Like once, you know, like they usually turn on automatically, but I don't know if it is charged or not. So we'll have to see. Let's get our Galaxy S10 here and go ahead and turn Bluetooth on. See, done. We're just going to open them next to it and see if anything comes up, which it does. I know you guys can't see it right now. Let me put the phone up here. So I opened the case, everything came up automatically. We're going to go ahead and click connect, and we're just going to click allow on all of these. It opens up the Galaxy wearable app. And no, that is not dust on the phone. Those are like little stars on here. So it's setting them up. 97%, 98, and 100. So we are ready to go. We're going to once again allow those. We're going to just allow that because I don't really care. So you can manage notifications. The buds actually have their own kind of notifications preferences, which is kind of cool that you can get all that while you're wearing them. I'm just going to leave them as the default, but you can choose which applications you want to actually provide notifications through the Galaxy Buds. So it's telling me to use the touchpad on the Galaxy Bud. Let me take both of them out real quick and see what they do. Actually, it's not telling me to use the touchpad. That's just showing me what it does. So we're going to go ahead and click finish right there. Let's see, put these back for now. So it is connected. They're both 100% charged. Let's see. We're going to close the case. There is a update available. We'll get that in a second. So ambient sound, which is like noise cancellation, stuff like that. It disconnected from because I shut it. Let's see, we'll open it back up. So like I said, you can manage notifications specifically on the earbuds. So there we go. You can see it automatically shows your volume, your battery life, and everything like that when it connects. Find My Earbuds. You can customize your touchpad settings right here. So what you want the left to do, voice command, quick ambient sound, so you can actually hold down on it and it will turn off the noise cancellation temporarily so you can hear people if they're talking to you or something like that. You have your equalizer right here. You can change the sound modes. Like I said, right here, ambient sound. Right here you can turn that on or off. Off does have the sound cancellation on. And then you can manage your notifications right here. Read aloud while using phone, so you can hear notifications even while you're using your phone if you turn that on. If you're using your phone and you get a notification with that off, it will not read it through the Galaxy Buds. Then right here we have the battery, and that's just, it looks like tips right here. Yeah, so that's just tips right there if you tap on that. And then like I said, there is a software update for it, which I will do after this video. But those are the Galaxy Buds. That is the setup. We do have another menu right here. in the app. It looks like just for other devices and stuff like that. Those are the Galaxy Buds. I need to repair my watch and it'll show up there as well. But this has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.